Hey everyone, it's Jordan with Jury Strength. Today we're going to be diving right into how to lose weight the right way. Let's get to it. So I hear you're looking for the best tips and tricks to lose body weight. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over my top 4 tips to lose that stubborn body fat. And hey, make sure you wait till the end of the video because I'm saving my number 1 tip until last. Coming up. Tip number 1 of the day is you have to lift weights. Having more muscle means you're going to burn more calories at a resting state. Fun fact for you, 1 pound of muscle burns an extra 50 calories per day at rest. Now, let's say you start hitting the weights pretty hard for the next year and you gain 10 pounds of lean muscle. That's a whopping 500 calories extra per day that you're going to be burning just at rest doing absolutely nothing. Pretty cool, right? Another amazing benefit to lifting weights is after you're done with your training session, you're going to burn continuous calories for the next minutes to hours to even days, up to 48 hours or so post-workout while your body recovers. So just think about this for a minute. Because you lifted earlier on in the day, you could literally lay on your butt the entire rest of the day and binge watch Game of Thrones and burn continuous calories all because you lifted earlier on in the day. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to do that? You might be a little bit confused right now. You might even be scratching your head and wondering, how does this even happen? Well, let's break it down. You're going to burn extra calories because of something known as, and this is a tongue twister, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, also known as EPOC. I can't believe I said that on the first try. So if we break this down, EPOC happens after a bout of exercise. So your body uses more oxygen than at a resting state to restore our cells back to something known as homeostasis. And all that is it's our body's way to maintain a stable internal environment, which is key to maintain our body's overall function. This recovery process can last anywhere from 15 minutes the whole way up into 48 hours, depending on how intense your workout was. Tip number 2 is cardio. Cardio is an amazing tool to utilize through your weekly routines to help you burn extra calories and help you lose weight. There are 2 different types of cardio. There's LISS cardio and HITT cardio. LISS cardio is referred to as low intensity, steady state cardio. Some examples are a slow walk on a treadmill, ellipticals, a Stairmaster, anything that you can do that's at a slow intensity and a very slow rate. There's a lot of benefits for LISS cardio. It's very low impact and easy to do. It's great for the heart and lungs. It builds a lot of endurance, and of course it helps burn calories. Now, there are a few downfalls to doing LISS cardio. One is it takes a very long time to burn a decent amount of calories, and I'm talking anywhere from 45 minutes to whole way up to an hour. It's also the mediocre choice of cardio to do if you are trying to lose weight. If you have the option between LISS and HITT, I would recommend choosing HITT. Now, what is HITT cardio? HITT cardio is known as high intense interval training. This is something that you do at an extremely fast pace. Think of a full-out sprint followed by a short break. So an example of that would be you could do 10 rounds of a 30-second full-out sprint followed by a 30-second walk, and just repeat that 10 times. There's a ton of different benefits for doing HITT cardio. For instance, it burns a ton of calories in a very, very short amount of time, anywhere from 15 minutes to whole way up to 30 minutes. Also boosts your metabolic rate for hours after you exercise. Does anybody remember EPOC? Yeah, same thing. You can also retain better muscle mass while you do HITT training compared to LISS training. If you had to choose between HITT or LISS, personally, I would choose HITT cardio because it's just more fun for me and it's a lot more challenging. So I always like that extra challenge. And also, if you want a 1-2 punch with losing weight and body fat in particular, then I would lift weights first and then add in HITT cardio at the end of your workout. That's going to give you a little extra fat burn at the end. Tip number 3 is drink water. Preferably you want to drink cold water, but we'll get back to that in a minute. Drinking water keeps your body system active and clean, and it also keeps that metabolism rolling. Fun fact, water contains zero, yes, I mean absolutely 0 calories to drink, but it actually burns calories to digest.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
You ever wonder how much water you should drink through the day? I personally drink anywhere from a gallon the whole way up to a gallon and a half every day, depending on how intense my workouts are and how much I sweat through the day. Now, let's get back to talking about drinking cold water. If you have the option, you always want to choose cold water to drink. This is going to lower your overall body temperature, which forces your body to expend energy, aka calories, to bring your temperature back to homeostasis at a 98.6 degrees. Everyone, we did it. We made it. Because of your dedication, I am now going to tell you my number 1 most important tip to losing weight. Nutrition. This is the most important thing to take into consideration when you're trying to lose weight. So if we break down nutrition on a basic level, you need to consume less calories through your day than you burn, period. So to help you out the next time you go shopping, you want to stay on the outside aisles of the grocery store. You want to do that because that's where you're going to find all the fresh, whole, unprocessed foods. Whereas you want to stay away from the middle aisles because that's going to be all your high sugar foods, your processed foods, all the bad crap that you shouldn't be eating. Look to eat a diet that's high in protein, fiber, and you want to have a lot of vegetables through your daily meals. The vegetables are good because it keeps you fuller longer, and it's also going to give you a ton of micronutrients that's going to help you process foods better and make you feel better overall. If you ever wanted to learn more about macronutrients, what they are, how to calculate them specifically for you to lose weight, maintain your body weight, or gain weight, I actually wrote an article on my blog. I'll link it down in the video below here. Go ahead and check it out. Also, I'm just curious, would you be interested in me making a YouTube video on macronutrients, how to calculate them, what they even are? If you are interested, let me know in the comment sections below. Well, everyone, we have finally made it to the end of the video, but before you go, I do have a question of the day for you. I want to know what your favorite tip was that you learned in today's video, and also if you have any other tips that you want to add that I didn't talk about. If you have any new ones, go ahead and comment below. Peace and love, everyone. I'll see you next time.